With its innovative new product, the Tesla Smart TV, the company has formally entered the consumer technology space and is no longer solely focused on electric vehicles and renewable energy. This is a major milestone that brings Tesla's vision into your living room and beyond transportation. What sets the Smart TV apart are its elegant appearance and useful features catered to middle-aged and older audiences. This product has the potential to completely transform the entertainment industry. What about pricing and production schedules? Keep checking back as we explore every detail in today's. Why is the Tesla Smart TV a revolutionary home entertainment device? Coverage. Why the Tesla Smart TV is revolutionizing home entertainment. The Tesla Smart TV is made to be the ideal addition to any house, particularly for elderly people seeking an immersive and easy-to-use entertainment system. Beyond just innovative technology and stylish design, Tesla's foray into the smart TV market was designed with senior users in mind, guaranteeing usability without sacrificing quality. The Tesla Smart TV's minimalist design, which blends sophistication and functionality, is one of its most alluring aspects. The TV appears to be suspended in midair thanks to an ultra-thin bezel that is only 2 mm wide. This improves the living room's aesthetics while also reducing the clutter that many seniors find overwhelming in today's tech-filled homes. Screen sizes range from a cozy 55 in, ideal for smaller living rooms or apartments, to a massive 85 in, ideal for home theater setups. Tesla offers choices that fit various living areas and viewing tastes. The Tesla Smart TV really shines in its next-generation display technology, which is equipped with advanced OLED or QLED panels. It boasts an impressive 33 million pixels at 8K resolution, offering 4 times the clarity of 4K and 16 times more detail than Full HD for seniors with aging eyesight. This exceptional resolution can make text, images, and video clear and easier to distinguish. The large screen sizes are ideal for seniors who may have trouble seeing smaller displays, offering better readability and an enhanced viewing experience. For seniors who enjoy watching movies or sports, the superior contrast ratio of over 1,000,000:1 ensures deep blacks and bright, realistic colors, while the 120 Hz refresh rate, upgradable to 144 Hz, ensures smooth motion during fast-paced scenes like action movies or sports broadcasts. However, it's not just about picture quality. The peak brightness of 1500 nits surpasses even premium models like LG's OLED Evo 1000 nits, guaranteeing vibrant colors and true-to-life images even in rooms with plenty of ambient light. External speakers are no longer necessary thanks to the Tesla Smart TV's integrated Dolby Atmos system, which has 40 WT speakers and 2 subwoofers for a wide-ranging 3D sound experience. For seniors who might struggle to set up or operate external sound systems, this is a game changer. Voice quality is improved by Tesla's audio system's custom tuning. Clarity guarantees that the conversation is clear and simple to follow. This feature greatly enhances the intelligibility of spoken words, making it especially beneficial for elderly people with hearing impairments. In fact, the built-in audio system of the Tesla Smart TV rivals standalone soundbars like the Sonos Arc, which costs over $1,000 and provides high-quality sound without the need for extra equipment. With the help of this feature, the Tesla Smart TV's intelligent features can be used more easily and with less setup and wires. Improve its usability for elderly people who might not be tech-savvy. Whether it's day or night, or whether the room is bright or dark for a movie night, the Tesla Smart TV's in-house artificial intelligence, AI, optimizes brightness and sound in real time, automatically adjusting to changing ambient conditions. This eliminates the need to fiddle with settings and guarantees the best picture and sound in every scenario. The Tesla Smart TV incorporates advanced facial recognition technology that can identify up to 6 distinct profiles, and the multilingual voice control feature supports over 20 languages, enabling seniors to easily navigate the TV in their preferred language. This is especially helpful for seniors who speak languages other than English or who are more at ease interacting in their native tongue. This implies that family members can make customized profiles with content recommendations based on seniors' interests and preferences. This has the major advantage of offering seniors personalized recommendations for television programs or films they might like, doing away with the need for tedious searches or remembering specific titles. Do you like the Tesla Smart TV's design? If so, leave a comment indicating that you think it could be more impressive. In addition, I would like to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel, as it helps increase the subscriber to viewer ratio. We are very grateful to everyone who has helped us reach 2,000 subscribers. Our next goal is to reach 4,000 subscribers. We will keep improving our content in every way, but your support is essential, so please subscribe if you haven't already. How is home technology for all ages being reimagined by the Tesla Smart TV? How does home technology for people of all ages get redefined by the Tesla Smart TV? By making sure that users of all ages, especially seniors, can easily navigate its features, the Tesla Smart TV redefines home technology for those who might not be familiar with cutting-edge technology. Tesla's Smart TV streamlines the experience with an easy-to-use design that prioritizes accessibility, in contrast to many rivals like Samsung and LG that have menus full of intricate settings. Tesla prioritizes simplicity. The interface removes the intimidation with its large, readable text and simple navigation. This method guarantees that older adults can enjoy their favorite programs without the stress of navigating complicated menus, which is a factor frequently associated with modern technology. One of the Tesla Smart TV's easiest-to-use features is voice control. According to a 2022 AARP study, people with limited mobility or older adults will value being able to use voice commands to control the TV, such as playing their favorite song or opening the news channel. With Tesla's voice command system, more than 70% of seniors have trouble using traditional remote controls because of conditions like arthritis or low vision. This issue has been greatly resolved. Voice control greatly improves convenience by allowing elderly people to easily operate the TV without pressing numerous buttons. Beyond usability, Tesla's system makes use of AI-powered voice recognition, which guarantees that commands are correctly understood even in a noisy setting. According to rumors, Tesla will launch medical features that could transform home health monitoring, while Sony and TCL with a primary focus on entertainment. Tesla could incorporate advanced health features like heart rate monitoring using the TV's integrated 4K HDR cameras, which may be as accurate as wearable technology like the Fitbit or Apple Watch. Since 80% of older adults are interested in health technology that can be incorporated into their daily lives, this integration would help seniors who frequently manage chronic conditions and could use the TV to passively monitor their health status. This makes Tesla's health-focused features a much-needed innovation. Additionally, these AI-powered cameras could recognize patterns in daily activity, remind users to take their medications, and even alert caregivers or family members to odd behavior, like restricted movement. Given that more than 20% of U.S. households consist of adults 65 and older, a group that is frequently overlooked by mainstream tech companies, this emphasis on health is especially important. Including health monitoring features could give families peace of mind by enabling a proactive approach to elder care without requiring the purchase of additional wearable technology. The 40% of older adults who have at least one chronic illness would also benefit from it, since it would enable them to keep an eye on their health from the convenience of their own homes without having to rely on numerous entertainment devices. The Tesla Smart TV is excellent at supporting major streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+, as well as senior preferences. Classic movies are part of Tesla's carefully chosen content library. 60% of seniors say they prefer to watch old films and other nostalgic content, which Tesla Smart TVs provide in abundance. Regional news and even karaoke features are rarely given priority by rivals, according to a National Institute on Aging survey. Additionally, with just a voice command, users can pause, fast forward, or rewatch live TV thanks to Tesla's Easy Replay mode, which removes the annoyance of missing scenes in movies or television shows. This is especially helpful for elderly people who might have trouble remembering show times or using conventional remote controls. The Tesla Smart TV's value as a central hub for home management is increased by its seamless integration with other Tesla products. According to Tesla, owners of Tesla vehicles can connect their TV to their vehicle to get real-time updates on the charging status of their vehicle or even to view navigation data from the dashboard on their TV. This feature improves the connected home experience, especially for tech-savvy consumers who own multiple Tesla products. In addition, owners of Tesla's Powerwall and solar roof systems can view real-time data on their energy production and consumption straight on the smart TV screen. This integration is a significant differentiator from rivals like LG's ThinQ and Samsung's SmartThings, which don't have as much connectivity. Do you think your family would benefit from the Tesla Smart TV's facial recognition feature? Tesla's integrated ecosystem allows users to control energy use, health, and entertainment all from a single device. Contribute your ideas to the section on when and how to purchase a Tesla Smart TV. Comments on how and when to purchase the Tesla Smart TV with pre-orders anticipated to open on Tesla's official website by late 2025. The company plans to launch its groundbreaking Smart TV globally in Q1 of 2024. This well-timed release aims to capitalize on peak consumer interest, which is consistent with Tesla's history of generating high demand through strategic unveilings. Analysts predict that Tesla's entry into the smart TV market could disrupt an industry currently led by Samsung that is valued at over $115 billion globally. Sony and LG. Tesla's pricing strategy is revolutionary, as all of its models are under $200. DEB is pricing the 55-inch version at about $180. Comparatively speaking, high-end rivals like LG's OLED TVs and Samsung's Neo QLED series start at $1,200 for 55 inches models and can reach $3,000 for larger sizes, while the 65 inches model costs $190 and the largest 85 inches variant will peak at $199. Even mid-range alternatives, such as Sony's X90K series, provide comparable display quality and cutting-edge features at a fraction of these costs, with an average 65-inch screen costing $900. Tesla's Smart TV is positioned to draw in cost-conscious customers without sacrificing innovation. In addition to Tesla's Smart TV's affordability, the company has strong customer-focused policies. Every unit will have a 5-year warranty that leads the industry and greatly exceeds additionally rivals' standard 1 to 3 year offer. From a technological standpoint, the majority of competing brands charge extra fees for extended warranties and software updates, potentially increasing the total cost of ownership by hundreds of dollars. In contrast, Tesla guarantees lifetime software updates, ensuring the smart TV stays secure and technologically relevant long after it is first purchased. Customers of Tesla can choose from installment plans with competitive interest rates thanks to its flexible payment options and internal financial system. This strategy not only strengthens Tesla's EOS system but also reinforces customer loyalty by encouraging integrated smart home setups. It does this by strategically combining aggressive pricing, unmatched customer policies, and seamless ecosystem integration positions. Additionally, buyers who bundle the Smart TV with Tesla products like the Model Y or Powerwall can receive discounts estimated at 10 to 15%, translating to savings of up to $50 per TV purchase. If Tesla meets its projected production goals of more than 1 million units in the first year, it will have a strong competitor in the global market for smart TVs, matching Samsung's yearly sales of premium TVs. The Tesla Smart TV has the potential to completely transform the market for reasonably priced luxury consumer electronics. It combines cutting-edge technology, intuitive features, and a sleek design that blends in with any home. Whether you're an elderly person searching for a basic, easy-to-use TV or someone looking for a high-end entertainment experience, the Tesla Smart TV delivers with its advanced display, high-quality audio, and smart features, offering a new level of convenience and enjoyment for everyone. How do you feel about the features of the Tesla Smart TVs? Do you find the combination of voice controls and health monitoring exciting? Please share your thoughts in the comments section and remember to like this video. Additionally, to ensure you don't miss any of the most recent updates, subscribe to our channel. Product is causing change in a number of industries, such as home entertainment and online gaming. In education, healthcare, and other domains, the Smart TV is a symbol of Musk. Commitment to affordable, easily accessible technology that prioritizes user privacy and experience over sustainability. This device has the potential to change consumer expectations and set new standards in. Whether you're a casual or die-hard tech enthusiast, the tech industry is forcing well-known brands to innovate, reduce costs, and improve privacy safeguards. For consumers or anybody interested in the future of the internet and smart homes, Musk's smart TV is an essential product. With wide-ranging effects,